Okay, and where are you going to slip now? Okay, where will you, कहाँ पे ये stop हो जाएगा और कहाँ पे fail हो सकती है? So like you sign up for the wrong thing. You think that there is this MBA which looks really glorious, and it's like teaching me everything that is needed. Okay, there is no course which covers these skills like it at one place. Okay,
Spend half an hour after this. Try Googling, go to the hundredth
yeah.
page also, and share with us if you can find anything that is even remotely giving you these skills. MBA, LLM, diplomas, anything at all across.
Anything at all, and look at the cost of that also, by the way, when you are
Yeah.
speaking. Okay. So people will think that they can wing it on their own, and then after several months they realize that they have not made enough progress. So many number of times it happens with the students who call out and reach to us that I tried this, I tried that, I tried so many different things, but like there isn't any significant movement in where I wanted to be, from where I was and where I wanted to be. This is a roadmap, remember. You have to progress on the road. Now if you are going round and round in circles, which is what will happen if you are winging it out on your own, you are not making progress. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is like it happens if you relying on your own willpower to learn a new subject or even get it, I like you'll never manage to do it. But if you have a tutor or a coach who's sitting on your head, you will see this like difference, immediate difference, because they are sitting on your head and they are getting things done from you. I believe that all of us have seen this. Just try these things that you will go to a gym and work by yourself, and try getting a trainer, and then you see what difference it makes. Okay, or try like learning something by yourself and try taking guidance, and see how like it has to be the sheer structure of it which will make you do the things. Otherwise it is very easy to give up, okay, in between. And you will see a progress in a month of signing up. Okay, we're going to share something with you. If you go through that route, okay, you will see a visible difference. Okay, that I was here when I started and I'm here now in 1 month. Okay, so we have a money back. We're going to talk about that later. So even learning the skill somehow is not enough. You need to build a track record, and that also requires a disciplined and concerted effort. I mean, try writing a blog. Okay, how many people where they started with one blog and they said ki her week I will put one entry, and how often that continued and how soon that died down. Okay, so if you have an institutional setup like Lawseco, we have a proper setup which is kind of going to train you on in a comprehensive manner. It's not just legal skills where you will see progress. You will see your progress in developing your brand. You will see your progress in ability to communicate with people. You will see a progress in your drafting and your language skills. People with us have revamped their language skills. I'll tell you that because of the setup that they are in, things have changed massively for them. We have a team of ten people who are just dedicatedly working to bring the right opportunities and connect you with the jobs and clients. Okay, this is the setup that you have. And even when you have a knowledge, it's hard for clients to trust that you know the thing. So you want to build a track record. Okay, it's if you approach and go to people, unless you actually have that kind of clients, but before, in order to crack your first client or your first employer, you will need something very visible on your CV to say, or to say like to tell the person who's hiring you, okay, that there is credibility here. Okay, so we are going to give this certification from a US university. Okay, we help you to find your first few real life opportunities to apply this knowledge. Now, who in the world is going to skill you and also help to, like, get the opportunities to apply it. Okay, very few have that combination. Like, you look for courses, people will be there who have very actually otherwise it will be institutionalized, it will be like a campus placement that they have. That's the kind of thing, but for that you pay like a crazy amount of money. You pay certain lakhs in order to get that kind of thing, right? So most people struggle to create a profile on Upwork, and it can get rejected if it's not done properly. And land freelance work because the clients are not convinced with the pitches. And
Yeah.
we will coach you actually on how to land this. Okay. So you can be in this zone where you land these gigs. It'll be like it's an extent of hand holding that we provide. I can confirm this as a co-founder. Nobody provides this kind of hand holding that Lawseco does in today. Like, the level of mentoring and counseling that you get on all of these things is incredible. We will sit you down and work with you.